How to Fix TikTok Profile View Option Not Showing 2025 Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to HowtoMastery. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix the profile view option not showing on TikTok. Step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. What is profile view history? First, TikTok's profile view history lets you see who viewed your profile in the last 30 days, but it's optional and only works if both people have it turned on. Step 2. Check if you're eligible. To get this feature, you must be 18 years or older, have fewer than 5,000 followers. If your account doesn't meet these conditions, the option may not appear. Step 3. Update TikTok. If you're eligible but don't see it, update your TikTok app. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok, and tap Update. Step 4. Find the Profile Views option. Open your profile and tap the footprint eye icon at the top right, near the 3 lines. If you don't see the icon, tap Settings and Privacy, Profile Views to check if it's there. Step 5. Turn on Profile View History. If you see the option, tap Profile Views, then turn it on. Remember, if you turn it on, others can see when you view their profile too. Step 6. Log out and log back in. If it's still missing, try logging out and logging back in. Sometimes TikTok needs a refresh to show new features. Step 7. Contact TikTok support. If you still don't have the option, go to Settings and Privacy, report a problem, then search for Profile Views and submit your issue to TikTok support. Outro. And that's how to fix the profile view option not showing on TikTok in 2025. If this helped you out, please like, subscribe to HowtoMastery, and comment below if you need help with any other TikTok feature. Thanks for watching.